So guys, in this video we are watching the staging which is used to support the concrete mold, which is made up of steel. Here these are horizontal members called as ledger, these are the vertical members called as verticals. This is the coupler, this is the plain jack. If we want to hide the staging, we will tight it. If we want to lower the staging, we will lose it. This staging is made up of steel, and that is why it is very strong, and it is strong enough to take the dead load of concrete. Its disadvantage is that it takes a lot of time in its mantling and dismantling. An advantage is that it can take a huge load. This arrangement, whatever we are seeing around the column, the steel pipes are used to tight around the column, so that it is called as bracing, so that the staging will not move. This is the small nut like arrangement which will tight the pipe to pipe, and that is why it will get attached to the column and will not move here and there. It can take a huge load. See, here we are watching that there is staging. Above the staging, whatever the black member we are watching is called as the channel. Above it there is a square tube. Above it there is the ply. The thickness of the ply, that is we are watching on the topmost in this video, the thickness of the ply is 12 mm. The black members are called a tube, while the bigger black members are called as the channels. The thickness of the ply is 12 mm, the thickness of the square tube is 60 mm, and the thickness of the channel is 125 mm. These are horizontal members called as ledger, vertical are called as verticals. These are the ledgers which length is about 1 meter. These are the bigger ledgers which length is about 1.5 meter. These are the verticals which length is about 2 meter. It can vary as per the manufacturers, but here it is 2 meter. These are the channels which thickness is about 125 mm and the length is about 6 meter. This thickness is 125 mm from one end to another end in thickness. These are the square tubes. Actually they are rectangular in shape but are called as square tubes, which length is 6 meter and the thickness is about 60 mm. Square tubes. This staging is leveled by using our laser level machine or rotio level machine. The rotio level machine staff is attached to the channel and it is tightened and loosened the jacks as per the requirements. If we want to height the staging, we will tight the jack. If we want to lower the staging, we will lose the jack. This is the jack which can be tightened and loose. The same jack is that is U jack is placed on the topmost just below the channel. Only disadvantage is that it takes a lot of time in its mantling, dismantling. These coupler jacks are made up of steel which are very strong. See the coupler jacks. Here we are watching the nut and bolt. The nut bolt is tightened so that the vertical will not get out of the lower vertical. It keeps attached and tight. This staging is used for supporting the mold of concrete, and after the required time it will get dismantled. Okay, thank you.